Biggest mistakes people make when starting a side hustle or online business and how to avoid them. One mistake we see people making is being involved in too many opportunities and projects at the same time. And why is this a mistake? Well, you see, spreading yourself too thin, you're gonna cause confusion and overwhelm, and you're gonna get zero results. You might be producing a course, producing products, producing digital products, working on affiliate marketing, working on other types of e-commerce, doing brand deals, etc., etc. And you're going to be putting in 5% here, 10% there, and there's going to be no results because you're all over the place. Instead, of course, you should focus your precious time and energy on just one or maybe two strategies. Growing a YouTube channel, setting up a couple of affiliate marketing links, or creating a blog, or maybe starting a web shop. Your challenge here is to ignore all other opportunities at this point. Stay laser focused on the one or two that you have chosen right now. One mistake we see people making is grabbing opportunities in ad review, website review, product review, or search engine review, or any other opportunity that pays by the hour. Why is this a mistake? Because they're exactly the same as you working your 9-to-5 job, by the hour, getting paid by the hour. And this is the main point of this mistake, is that we see people trading one job by the hour to another, and they're still stuck. They're still trading their time for money. One huge mistake we see a lot of people making is falling for the get-rich-quick schemes. And why is this a mistake? Well, you see, it's a waste of your time, it's a waste of your money, it's a waste of your energy, and also you're not building trust with your audience. You're even ruining your chances for the future. And you're still trading time for money. Instead, you have to be realistic when you evaluate opportunities. You have to be realistic when you research opportunities. You have to apply a critical mindset. One mistake we see people making is letting low self-confidence rule their motivation to take action. And why is this a mistake? Well, you see, low confidence is gonna influence the decisions that you make and the actions that you take. And potentially, it's even gonna make you stop or give up. And you can't afford to give up. Because if you give up now, this is how far you got. No more, no less, that's it. And low confidence usually comes with feeling lonely somehow and not having the right perspective on your abilities and your star glow that really exists inside of you. And it's going to potentially ruin your dream. So instead, make sure to seek the help of mentors and a community that can help you get out of your own head, and that can help you strengthen your skills and your understanding of the process that you need to go through in order to get revenue into your business. When you build skills, you're also going to build confidence. And when you're involved with other people, like-minded people in a community, you're also going to build confidence, and you're going to know that you're not alone out there. That's why joining our program could be a good idea. So just opt in down below and we'll send you a couple of free workshops so you can check it out and get going. Another mistake we see people making is going into an already saturated niche with little or no opportunity to actually make money and be successful and stand out in the noise. Why is this a mistake? Well, you see, just because you're passionate about personal training online doesn't mean you're gonna stand out. It doesn't mean that you're gonna be able to raise your voice above the noise. Passion is important when you're starting a side hustle that you eventually want to evolve into a full-time income, but researching your niche is very important. Researching demand and competition. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to research your niche. If you, for example, want to start a cooking channel or a blog, you have to find specific niche within cooking, you have to find a specific angle to that cooking, and you have to find what makes you special and how you can stand out as you're presenting your recipes and your cooking to your audience. So we'll cover that in our training down below as well. Next, watch this video, stay away from mistakes, and I'll see you in the next one.